mong kapakantang.
A seminar organized by the Tura Chambugong Mahari Association was held at the Pastoral Center in Walbagre. The event, which aimed to promote the preservation of Garo customs and traditions, featured an introduction by Ben Singh C.H. Marak, President of TCMA, and an opening prayer by Pastor John Stellan C.H. Marak. The seminar highlighted the pressing need to preserve these customs in a globalized world to safeguard the unique identity of the Garo tribe.
The main objective of this seminar is two objectives. One, to create awareness among the young generation the importance of Garo traditional culture and customs.